Today we're going to show you how to execute standing plate hammer curls. So a good base for this exercise is very important. You want your feet shoulder width and your knees just slightly bent. So keeping your elbows out in front of you, out in the front of your rib cage, not behind you, keeping your palms facing each other, you'll really be able to engage your bicep. So as you can see here, I don't want my biceps behind me, hiding them. I want them out in front with my core tight. You can see I'm really able to get that length in the negative and get full range of motion. You can really see the difference here that I'm not able to get the full range of motion until I push my elbows out in front of me. This allows me to come all the way down, and I love using a plate because it keeps my arms neutral and stops from flaring a little bit. You can really see it in the front view here from hiding your biceps. Getting them out in front really allows that full length, again, especially at the negative, so you can get the full range of motion and really get into that bicep. So a standing plate hammer curls. I really love using a plate because it keeps my arms neutral throughout the whole exercise. Instead of sometimes when I use dumbbells, I find that my arms flare just slightly and I don't get the full range of motion that I'd like to get in my bicep. The biggest thing that you want to make sure of here is that your feet are shoulder width and your knees are slightly bent and that your biceps are out in front of you. Don't be afraid to show your biceps. Do not hide them behind your rib cage. It'll be hard for you to get full range of motion. Alright guys, if you liked the video, hit the like button down below, leave a comment, let me know. If you have any questions or concerns, hit subscribe up here, that way you'll get notified when more videos get posted up. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.